Hey, what's up, y'all? Thank you so much for joining me in this how-to meditation. This is a simple guided meditation to bring awareness to your body as you come to a place of stillness. Find a comfortable standing, lying, or seated position. I want you to think of grounding yourself, feeling supported and held. Close the eyes down and begin by deepening the breath. Take deep inhales and exhales through the nose. The breath will come deep from the belly right to the top of the head. Take a deep inhale. Hold for 4 seconds. And exhale. Let's do that again. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Feel the space around you, maybe even within you. It's not about achieving anything, not about looking for enlightenment or being non-resistant. If you think positive thoughts, negative thoughts, good thoughts, bad thoughts, they are all okay. Let everything be exactly as it is. Follow your breath as it goes in and out. Let your attention rest on your body. Not trying to change anything. Just watching from a place of non-judgment. Notice how your breath flows through and about your body. Within your body, behind the lung, in front of the lungs, sweeping the heart, moving through the rib cage. As your thoughts come up, just let them. Notice them, and then let them pass by. If the thoughts stay, come back to focusing on the breath. Always come back to the breath. And just like that fresh, energized feeling we get when we're out connecting to nature, we can always come back to the breath over and over again and experience what it is to be alive and present. Remember, meditation brings answers. Meditation brings clarity, peace, and flow.